and building IPR. Then personal barriers only, lack of compatibility. So whatever the factors they have given, so everything we are adding. Okay, lack of compatibility, feelings of insecurity, ineffective communication, distorted self-concept. So compatibility between the individual involved in IPR must be ensured. The sense of security must be ensured between the people involved in an IPRT. Effective communication is the key aspect of efficient IPR. Therefore, effective communication must be ensured. Individuals involved in IPR must have the sound self-concept. Then personal barriers only, again, that is lack of flexibility, lack of respect, then fear of rejection. Then personal barriers only, again, that is a pre-existing psychiatric problem. Skilled therapeutic communication is required to interact with the individuals who suffer from psychiatric or personality problems. Okay, situational barriers, complex interacting setting. The individuals must try to make the interactions setting simple and familiar and must make the others personal feelings. Then adverse environmental situations, lack of territoriality, high density of individual. Special care must be taken while developing a relationship between individuals of diversified territories and highly density of interactions in adverse emotional situations. Lack of distance and lack of time. Then cultural diversity, ethnic diversity and social diversity. Social language diversity, it must be individual must try the enhance interpersonal relationship skills as maintain good eye contact, appropriate body language, listening with patience. Then the last one is Johari window. Johari window is a model. Okay. So Johari window is a model, is a simple and useful tool for illustrating and improving the self-awareness and mutual understanding between individuals within a group. The Johari window terminally refers to self and others. Self others to the person subject to the Johari window. Analysis and others refer to other people in the person's group or team. Facts related to Johari window. What are all the facts are there in the Johari window? The Johari window model was devised by American psychologists Joseph Luft and Harry Igdam in 1955. So from that only it came like a Joseph from 1 minute. See, Joseph from J-O and H-O-H-A, Joha and Ingam, Rigari. It's okay. So, from that word only, it came like a Johari window. Okay, the model was first established in proceeding the Western Training Laboratory in Group. Okay, development by UCLA Extension Office in 1955. Johari window model represents self-awareness of an individual towards himself or herself and later on become a widely used model for self-development by helping persons understand and learn about improvement of communication skills and IPR. Once again, the Johari window model represents self-awareness of an individual towards himself or herself and later on become a widely used model for self-development by helping the person understand and learn about improvement of communication skills and IPR. Okay, so here we have given that model. Okay, that is open public, okay, blind unaware, hidden private, unknown. Okay, so this is a model, and one more thing I'll tell you, that is a known to self, that is known to self. Here x-axis and the y-axis you have to make it to 4 boxes, that is open or public, that is the unknowing self and unknown to others. Here it is unknown to self. So here this model you can, if you are seeing this one, so 1 minute. See, here it is known to self. Known to self. Here it is known to others. So x-axis you know that, y-axis you know that. X-axis is known to self and unknown to self. So known to others, unknown to others. So when we are making, so it's this two comparing with the public, that is a open space. That is we are calling as a open space or the public self. Okay, so that is we are calling as a known, that is the person you also know, and you think that is you are the nurse. Okay, now we are talking about yourself. Okay, you know about yourself and you know about others, that is a open space. Okay, so when we are coming to second one is, that is unknown to self. You yourself unconsciously, you don't know something happened, but unconsciously you are forgetting. So that is unknown to self. But what you are forgetting, or you are unconsciously it was there, but you are not remembering that one. But the person, the others, that is known to others. The others, they know about yourself. Okay, so next one is the third one is known to self. You know about yourself, and the person, others, they don't know about yourself. That is we are keeping in our mind, but nobody should know about that private self. Okay, that is known to self but unknown to others. The next one is, here it is a fourth stage is unknown to self. That is unknown to self and unknown to others. That is a blind spot we can tell. That is a blind space. That is a dark or black or whatever it is. In the book they have given a dark, black or something else they have given. It is a unknown to self. That is, that stage is you also don't know about that particular incident, and the same way the others also, they don't know the particular incident. You may forget, and the person, the others, they don't know, the public. Okay, so these are all the stages are there in the Johari window. First stage is open and open stage. So when you are drawing this one, so it is easy to remember, that is x-axis known to self, unknown to self. Okay, here it is known to others, unknown to others. So in a y-axis when you are making, so it is a box, that is a 4 column, that is open space or the public self or the unknowing self, private self and unknown self. So here it is known to self and known to others is a open space. Known to unknown to self and known by others, that is unknowing self, and known to self and unknown to others, it is a private self, and unknown to self as well, unknown to others is a unknown self. Okay, so this is a Johari window. It is a open, that is a open or public self. They have given an explanation. The left upper quadrant of the window represents the part of self that is public, that is aspects of the self about which both individuals, others are unaware. Examples they have given, it's enough, I think so. Okay, unknown self is the upper right, that is a blind part. Okay, the upper right quadrant of the window represents the part of self that is known to others but remains hidden from the awareness of the individual. Okay, so same thing, that's a private self, that is a lower quadrant, left lower quadrant of the window represents the part of the self that is known to the individual by which the individual deliberately or consciously conceals from others. Okay, so that is, you know that what we are knowing, that is we should not at any cost we cannot declare. That is unknown self, that is you also don't know, and public also they don't know. The lower right quadrant of the window represents that part of the self that is unknown to both the individuals and to others. Okay, so example they have given. So functions of Johari window model, I'll tell you. It has become a widely used model for understanding and training self awareness and personal development and improving. Okay, improving communication, IPR, group dynamics, team development, and intergroup relationships. It puts emphasis on soft skills, behavior, empathy, cooperation, intergroup development, and interpersonal development. It can also be used to improve the individual's relationship with others or a group relationship with other group. Okay, this model is a simple and useful tool for illustrating and improving the self-awareness and mutual understanding between individuals in the group. The Johari model can also be used in improving self-awareness and mutual understanding between individuals in a group. The Johari window actually represents information, feelings, experiences, views, attitudes, skills, intentions, motivations, etc. within or about the person in relationship to their group from four perspectives. Okay, so what they have represent in the four perspectives, that only they are telling. The Johari window provides a useful way to graphically visualize the process of self disclosure. Thank you.